In this lesson, we will be going over sales rank. Now, what sales rank is, it's simply a rank of all of Amazon's products inside Amazon's catalog. Okay, because Amazon has millions and millions of products. However, Amazon is going to rank them from 1 to however many products they are organized by each category. So, say if there's a million products in the clothing category, the best selling product, the one that sells the fastest, will be number one. The one that sells the least and gets the least amount of engagement on Amazon will be the millionth, the worst one. So lower the number, the better. Okay, higher the number, the worst. And the sales ranks are always organized by each category. Okay, because each category is going to be different because there's more products in Amazon's catalogs in some categories and there's less in others. The purpose of the sales rank is to understand sales volume. Okay, so if you know the sales rank off a certain product, then you'll be able to have a good guess to see how many of those products sell per month. Because each product has its own sales rank. Okay, so there can't be two products at the sales rank of number one. There can't be two products at the sales rank of number 100. Okay, however, there could be one product at a sales rank of 100 and one at 101. So those two would be very close in sales volume because they're right next to each other on the ranking. Okay, and also to understand which category they're in because, for example, the number one best selling product in the clothing category could have a different sales volume than the number one best selling product in the arts and crafts category. So it's different off every single category, okay? Now we're going to be going over a few live examples to analyze the sales rank. Okay, so this product right here, what you want to do to find the sales rank is actually one trick. What I do is always actually a smarter thing is if you're on a Mac, do Command F, or if you're on a other like PC, you can do Control F, and it'll pop up this thing right here, and you could just go type in rank, and it's going to find the rank. Or what you can do if you're not exactly sure how I just did that, you can just go scroll down to the middle of the page until it hits product information. Okay, so now with this, you want to look at the best sellers rank, which is right here, and you would see that it says number 3 in video games. Okay, but you also see that it says number 1 in electronics, subcategory video game consoles and accessories. Now, you do not care about this sales rank right here. Okay, you only care about the parent category. These are subcategories. You only care about the parent category. So if it says number 3 in blank and it just says one category, that's the parent category. The parent category will also always be the biggest one. Now, what you do with this sales rank is you want to convert it to sales per month. And how you do that is you go to a tool called junglescout.com/estimator. Okay, and now what you do is you get the number 3 in video games, you go to junglescout.com/estimator. So all you do for junglescout.com/estimator is you go down and you want to choose the right marketplace. So if you're selling in Canada, selling in Germany, I'm not sure what these flags are, or selling in the UK, you would go choose the correct marketplace you're selling in, and then you'd go down to the right category. So right now it's video games, type in the sales rank, and you hit find out now, and boom, it says 3015 for the video game category. Now some categories can be totally different. Say for example we put in like call it 5,000 for video games, it's going to be 41 per month. But if we go 5,000 in the software category, it's going to be much different. Okay, hit find out now. It says there's less than 5. Now if Jungle Scout says less than 5, that basically means it does not sell at all. Okay, however, there can be some categories that actually junglescout.com/estimator does not have. And actually there's really only one category, and that category is called Amazon Launchpad. Okay, now with Amazon Launchpad, you see here this category right here, Amazon Launchpad, it's not going to be in junglescout.com/estimator. Okay, however, it's going to be in another tool called FBA Toolkit. Okay, so we realize this is 911. Let's go to FBA Toolkit, and figure out that sales per month off this product. So you go to FBAtoolkit.com, you're going to get to a place that looks like this. Now it goes by categories, okay? So we want to go find Amazon Launchpad, which is actually going to be towards the very bottom. And if you're wanting to know how this is structured, it's structured kind of about how fast certain categories move, okay? So in the toys and game category, products move really fast. In the Amazon Launchpad category, products move not as fast, okay? So now we're going to plug in 911 and see how many sales that's going to give us. Now, if you look at this, okay, this is giving us 30-day average, and 3 last day. What that means is that it means in the past 30 days, 3 per day have been selling. Okay, so this would be about 90 per month. 3 last day means yesterday 3 sold. Okay, so it is simply tracking per day on these, and that's how you use FBA Toolkit. Now, there actually is going to be one other category that may sometimes be a little tricky, and that's the electronics category, okay? And if you guys are wondering why I'm using these certain products, these are actually certain products that came directly from my suppliers, so that kind of just made it easier for me to kind of do these product research, okay? Now, with electronics category, you may seem that there can be some categories or some ranks that don't show up as a parent category. Okay, so you see bestsellers rank, but you don't see a parent category. You see 11 electronics, headphones, on-ear headphones, 213 electronics, home audio. You don't see any parent category. And so there's nothing you can really go convert to sales rank because there's no subcategories that you can convert to sales rank in FBA Toolkit or junglescout.com/estimator. However, what you're going to have to do is manually track it. And how you manually track it is you have to go check people's inventory and see how much they sell in a given day. Okay, and what this is kind of called, this is called the 999 cart trick. Now with this, we realize this person has 13 left in stock. What I would do is I would want to go see how many people are probably rotating the buy box, and then I would come back 24 hours later and see how much this person has in stock. Now, if you didn't know that it said he only has 13 left in stock, there's a way to check. And how you check that is you go to add a cart, and then it will take you to the cart, and you would go +10 and hit 9999, hit update, and up here it will show the seller only has 13 available. Okay. Now, if somebody has over 1,000, it's going to not say anything at all. But if people have less than 1,000, it's going to show that they have X amount of products available. So then I would come back 24 hours later and see how much this person has left in stock. Okay, now to recap what you learned. You simply learned what sales rank is. You understand that it's basically ranking all the products in Amazon's catalog organized by the category. And you also learned how to use sales rank. So you learned how to convert sales rank to sales per month using junglescout.com/estimator and FBA Toolkit. You also learned the 999 cart trick. So you learn that sometimes if a product does not have a rank in the parent category, you might have to manually track it to see about how many sales are per month. And you also learned the Amazon Launchpad sales rank, which that all it is simply checking out the FBA Toolkit instead of junglescout.com/estimator.